wish you fell. I'm gonna go get the couch.
Anyway, so today we are moving, and we have this big ginormous truck to put the whole entire house in. And it's big, and we didn't mean to get a big truck. It was an accident. Let's get to it. Now, we're gonna move the big red. Wish me luck.
We're here moving. And he already getting tired. Look at him.
He was the one laying on the ground.
He lying. Yo, cut this part. Cut this part.
Rax just took a break. But I sitting here doing nothing. So this is what our place looks like now. Amazing, right? One TV. A lot of stuff, but trust me, it's a lot. Especially since all those boxes are like hiding behind the other boxes. So, we're gonna take a break. Like the 5th break, I think. Is it the 5th break?
Like third. Cause you trash. You keep passing out like this, like you dying going to heaven.
Anyway, we're gonna take a commercial break and we'll be back. Go! Oh my god. This is so tough.
The great thing?
Not yet. Yeah.
There? No.
No. Yeah. There.
What about the ground inside?
Yeah, you're on it now.
Super dead.
So we finally did all the big stuff in the truck. It was super hard. Like, even this right here was hard. Like, so now we're just taking a break right now. Hopefully you could see everything. But yeah, all of this right here took like, we started at like 8 o'clock and then right now it's like 11 something. So now we're just taking a break and we're going to do nothing. I have all my stuff in here. We did the couch. And we did this. This right here was really heavy. There's 2 of them. And the heaviest thing was obviously this. So Rax is trying to get this thing that someone put there, like through there. Every time he tries to hit it, it just keeps sticking again. We'll let you know when. So we just finished with everything. And yeah, I can't even get in the truck now. So Now we're about to drive to. And the worst part that I just realized is that you have to put all of this stuff that took like 10 hours to put in here in the house. So, I don't know what I'm gonna do. Freaking. There's a freaking wasp. Right there. There's a wasp.
Okay.
So, as you can see, we just finished with everything. And it's a lot. It took like an hour. Oh my gosh.
You too weak? The other way. He too weak.
See, I totally did that. Fast forward to the part when I did that. We just got here, and now we just have to move all of this. Thankfully, I'm not doing it. Only he's doing it.
Who said that?
No one.